Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do something different from our usual videos. Today we are going to go through the statistical concept, which is most appeared in SAT questions, and their application in our programming language. I just thought that some of my subscribers are want to be programmers in the future. So I just don't want to help them to prepare for their SAT exam, and I want to prepare their future. Then, if someone wants to be a programmers, and if you want to pursue the R programming language, so he or she will have some basic knowledge about statistics, how to use this statistic concept in our programming language. I will just show you the 4 or 5 main statistic concepts in traditional way with pen and paper way. Then I will show them application of them in our programming language. What are these concepts? Let's wrote one by one. Statistics. The first one will be mean. Second, median. Third, mode. Fourth, range. Five, standard deviation. And sixth one, quantiles, or that's always shows up as a box plot. Now, if you have this statistic concept, let's start to all of them one by one. First of all, we are going to learn about mean. What is mean and how to calculate? Mean is just the average of the all values. So sometimes it can be say that what's the average of these numbers, or what's the arithmetic mean of these numbers. So mean and average is the same thing. So formula for finding mean is sum of, let's suppose we have n number of values. So we just sum of n values and we just divide it by n. Let's suppose we have the numbers like, what we can say. We have, let's say we have the math result from students. Let's say they have 750, 760, 700. And I just put a number randomly, and 790, and at least 800. So if we want to find mean of this result, we just use our formula, mean. Just add all of these numbers, which is 750 plus 760 plus 770 plus 775 plus 790 plus 800. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then we just use our calculator to find this. Let's use our calculator. Is 150 plus 760 plus 770 plus 775 plus 790 plus 8 plus 800 divided by 6, which is 774.1. So 774, quite good result. So, but what if we can do it in R with easier way? So don't worry, you will have a calculator in exam. So if you don't want to see something like this, so you will have a calculator. So in order to So let's do it in our programming language. So let's find our mean of these numbers. How to find in our programming language? So first of all, we need to write our values, which is we need to state our variable. In order to do it, we just write x, and it's how you write in our programming language to variables. So let's use our vector function, and let's write our number 750, 760. We have 770, 775, 300, 790, and we have 800. So let's see, we have 6 numbers. So how we can find in our programming language? First of all, you can add all of them just with simple plus sign, but you don't have to. There's a built-in function in our programming language. Can you guess what is it? Yes, you're right. It is just mean function. Just do it, mean x, and here we go. So it's the same result I get in my calculator. I just don't. Actually, it was 174.2. So I just didn't write. I just didn't round it. So we got same result. And in our programming language, it is very easy. Now let's go back to our whiteboard again. Now, if we are clear, let's go to second function, which is median. You can keep the result here. So let's do again. So let's write the median formula. So first we have a formula for finding median, which is n plus 1 divided by 2 number will be our median. Let's suppose we have 5 numbers. So our median will be 5 plus 1 divided by 2, which is this third number will be our median. So again, I think you remember all the numbers. So let's again write this number 750, 760, 770, 775, 790, and 800. So we have 6 numbers. So we just reuse n is equal to 6. So let me just use this part that can be confusing. Okay, so we have 6 number, 6 plus 1 divided by 2, which is 7 divided by 2, which is 3.5. What does it mean? It means that our median will be third number plus fourth number divided by 2, which is our third number, which is this, and fourth number is this. And guys, always remember, you need to order this number by ascending or descending order, which is doesn't matter. So it's ascending order. So I don't have to write them. So we just add 770 plus 70 plus 775 divided by 2, which is 770 plus 775 divided by 2, which is 772.5. That's first way how you can find this median. That's the second way, which is like can be an easy option. What you gonna do? You just eliminate from one from left and one from right. You just eliminate one from left, one from right, and you just eliminate one from. You can't eliminate one from left, one from right. If you have left two numbers, you just add this number and divide by two. It's the same thing. But if you have a if you have seven numbers, right? Let's write the seven number, which is, let me adjust here for 749. And if I one from left, one from right, and again one from left, and also I need to one from right. So this number gonna be our median. So again, if I use our function, like, so we have 7 plus 1 divided by 2, which is 8 divided by 2. Fourth number will be our median, which is 1, 2, 3, 4. You can find it. If the numbers, if you have odd number of values. So now let's do it in our R programming language. So we just specified our our x, which is our variable, and we have the values here. So how we can find median in our programming language? Do you have any guess? Yes, you are right. That's median function. We just use, why it's not hidden? We just use median and specify our variable, which has 772.5, which is exactly the same number. You can see that R is very convenient to find the mean and median. Now let's again go back to our whiteboard. The sort function is our mode. So we have mode. So mode is the number with higher frequency. It means that number most repeated. So guys, in our previous example, we don't have the number which is repeated. So let's create our new set of numbers. Like we have, let's do it in the small numbers. Let's do it in a small numbers like 10, 15, 12, 13, 14, 15, again 16, 17, 18, and again 18, and 19, 19, 19. Can you guess what's mode here? Yes, you're right. Mode here is going to be 19. So what if, again, we have 219, 218, 215? Yes, we will have 3 modes. But if neither of the numbers are repeated more than once, we will say that there is no mode. So I hope it is very clear for you how to find mode. But guys, let's see. Let me just